Good morning. My name is Glen Hayward, the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona at Price Road and Broadway. This morning we received a vehicle from a customer who came in with a complaint about a cooling system leak. And so as always, we do our complete inspection of the vehicle, and trust me, and you'll know why in a minute, that his coolant leak is the least of the problems on this vehicle. This is a 2001 Ford Ranger 4x4, and I'm going to show you what's going on with the steering, because I'm not sure how this person was able to keep this vehicle on the road without correcting the steering every second, literally. So as we look at this, this is what's called the steering rack. This bar goes here and it controls the steering. The rack is back in here. And in just a minute, I'm going to shake this tire and I'm going to show you all of the play that's in the steering. So this rack has been effectively ruined because of this ball banging inside of there. I'm going to go to the other side and show you. It's not just on the passenger side. This truck has almost 300,000 miles on it. And apparently this, as far as I'm concerned, this is probably the original rack. So if you look at this side, we got the same thing. And you see this whole thing wobbling up and down. It's not supposed to do that. And then you see the ball going in and out. So how this person can drive this thing straight down the road is a total mystery to me. I have no idea how that can happen. And as you can see, the way it's wearing these tires, the tires are completely shot. These are the wear bars. It's even with the wear bars. All four tires are shot. This vehicle is in really bad condition. Maybe not for 300,000 miles, but this customer needs to be aware that this is not safe, that his tires are bald and worn out, and they're shaking all over the place, because that rack, while it's going down the road, every time it hits a bump, it's jarring those tires back and forth and making the condition even worse. So ladies and gentlemen, please always go to a shop that does a complete inspection. They don't just look at what you're complaining about. In this case, it was a leak in the cooling system. This vehicle has much more serious issues that need to be addressed before I can release this car to the safety on the street, because it's not just the customer's car that's in jeopardy, it's everybody who's driving around him or her. So it's really important to make sure that your vehicle gets a complete inspection of the brakes, the steering components, the suspension components, not only just what the customer comes in to have us address. Just because a vehicle has 300,000 miles, that doesn't mean that the vehicle has to be totaled or sent to the junkyard. It just means that people have to keep up with the repairs and maintenance. In fact, our shop van, our Honda Odyssey, has got 299,000 miles on it. And it's in great shape because we fix everything as it goes along. And apparently whoever's owned this truck in the past, I'm not saying that this is the original owner, it probably isn't, but this person bought this vehicle at some point and needed a lot of repairs and maintenance that were never done. So make sure again that you're going to a quality shop that's looking at these things each and every time you come in with your vehicle. So this is another episode. I thank you for your time today. Come see us at Good Works Auto Repair, where you'll always get an honest answer every time.